Hello everyone, hope you are doing very well. In this video, I will demonstrate a new feature called Financial Tag Defaulting Rules. Before jumping into the product demo, I would like to explain that what is this Financial Tag Defaulting Rules. For that, I have created two case studies which I will show now. So in my screen, the case study 1 which I have prepared that uh, as of now, the financial tag has been a manual input. So going forward, we can automate the process. Say, assume a company wants to have the vendor invoice number automatically added from the vendor invoice field to the financial tag invoice number, so that at the end, in the month end, the MIS team or the procurement team can get the invoice number in the voucher transaction field or transaction field, main account transaction field, table, I would say. So in my screen, the case study 1 denotes that if that is a vendor invoice, then the invoice number which is added in the vendor invoice number field, which will be automatically added into the financial tag value. If that is not a vendor invoice, then the value will be written as others, right? So it is an automation opportunity. Based on some value, based on some condition, the financial tag will be automated from the other value of that table. The second case study which I have prepared, which is, say if my financial dimension business unit is Delhi or Noida or Gurugram, then my financial tag region will be automatically filled as North. Similarly, if my dimension business unit is Mumbai, Pune, Silvassa or Nagpur, then my financial tag region will be automatically filled as West. So that is, these are two case studies which I have prepared. So now I will demonstrate in the product. So I have enabled this feature, financial tag defaulting rules. This is available on 10.42 version or from 10.42 version as a preview feature. Once you have enabled this, then in the general ledger module under financial tag, a new form will be enabled as financial tag rules. Okay, so if you open it, then default financial tag rules will be visible. These I have not created because these are all system rules. This is nothing. As of now, the financial tag has been working like if you add some financial tag in the journal header level, then it will be auto derived to your line level. So these all rules are actually a standard rule which were from the beginning, but those have been mirrored with the standard tag rules here. Okay. So what we will do, we will create the exact case study which you have seen in my PowerPoint presentation. For that, we need to understand couple of things. So if you click new, a new form will come. Okay. So we need to understand couple of things from here. What is transaction entry point? Transaction entry point is a document or the area like general journal, allocation journal, reporting currency adjustment journal, vendor invoice journal. So these four are the available transaction entry point. Going forward, Microsoft will launch more and transaction entry points. So pilot will be these four. So if you add the rule, this rule will be only applicable from 10 day general journal, allocation journal, vendor invoice journal, reporting currency adjustment journal. Okay, for now I will select general journal. Transaction level. Transaction level nothing is header, account or offset. The rule will be applicable in header or in account or offset. I'll select account. And target. Target means which financial tag value will be used. Like I have mentioned my financial tag as a region, my financial tag as an invoice. So the rule will be applicable in which financial tag, right? So I will add invoice. I have created invoice and region as a financial tag in my system. And here I will select enabled and override existing value. Whatever value is added currently, that will be overridden by this rule. So now another important part is Power FX formula. So Microsoft has launched this Power FX formula in this feature. If you know Power FX formula, you can write the Power FX formula. If not, that's not a problem. Like I don't know Power FX formula, so I will utilize condition framework. Okay, so I will write the condition. My first condition was if my general journal entry is a vendor invoice journal, then the invoice value will be added in the invoice financial tag field. So the easy to understand whether it is a vendor invoice, sorry, it is a vendor invoice journal or not, the account type is vendor. I will select if my account type is vendor, then my invoice value will be added. So I will select invoice. Okay, so what I'm saying is my target is invoice as a financial tag. So what I'm saying is my condition is account type is vendor, then set target value. Target value is fine, invoice. The target value will be the invoice field, whatever is added in the invoice field. Okay, if not, then it will be like others. Done. I can write another condition, multiple condition, but for this I will keep it simple. Okay, for the for the other case study we will create another dimension, multiple dimension. So I'll click OK. Okay, so if you notice this one which I have created as a new rule, here there is no system rule triggered. That means it is not a system rule, it is we which we have created. Okay, so there is a simulate option also available. However, this simulate option is not there in the 1042. Probably it will be given in the next version. So I have created it, I have activated it as well. So we will test this one. It is enabled. So before testing, I just look to add. So see, I have added this condition here. The formula, the Power FX formula is automatically created. So it's a vice versa. If you know Power FX formula, that's fine. However, if you add the condition, it will be added as a Power FX formula automatically. Okay. So now what I will do, I will go to general journals and then create a general journal. And in this general journal, so what I will do, see, if you see, the financial tag invoice is automatically selected others because the else formula is working here. Because else means my account type is not vendor, that means it is else. Automatically it is selected as others, which you have selected as else condition. However, we want to test the vendor, the true condition. If I select vendor, okay, and then what I need to do, I need to add some invoice number, right? So if I add an invoice number, like, okay, I will refresh. See, the value which I have added in the invoice as tag, or maybe I will change this tag 123. I'll go here. See, it is automatically coming as a tag 123. I don't need to select. So it is one of the use case. I'm not saying this will be the correct or incorrect use case. I'm saying the possibility, automation possibility. This is one case study. So if you post this, the financial tag invoice will be added. Okay. So this is one case study, the automation case study. Another case study which we have is the financial dimension. So let's see which we have, what financial dimension we have. maybe divisions. Okay, divisions. So let's see. So for me, division and business unit is same. Division is a translated version, translated name, but the original name is business unit. So I will go to business unit. So in the business unit, I think I have Noida, Delhi, Mumbai, Gurugram. Okay, Gurugram is not there. Okay, that's fine. Nagpur I have, and then Pune also I have. Okay, fine. So these values I also already have created. So what we will do, we will create the financial tag rules. So my financial tag rules is if my finance, I mean, it will be based on the region. My transaction entry point, I will select general journal. My transaction level is account, and my target will be region in this case. So what I'm doing is I'm adding region based on the financial dimension value. So here, what I will do, my account business unit is uh, Noida. Okay, set target values to north. Again, my business unit is Delhi. Then also it's north. Another condition, my business unit is Pune. Then it is west. Another condition I will add, if my business unit is Mumbai, then also it is west. And if the condition is not met, then it is others. So I have what I've added. If my business unit is Noida, then it is north. If my business unit Delhi, it is north. If my business unit is Pune, then it is west. It is Mumbai, it is west, and others. Done. Okay. So my, uh, my rule is done. It is created. So now we will test this in the general journal. So as I mentioned, my business unit is actually a division. So I will just test this. I will select ledger and then say this one, and here Mumbai. So oh my bad. I think I made a mistake. So it's always, you need to remember that this region I have not enabled it. So what I will do, I will just edit, enable, override existing, and then I will test this. Go back, create lines. Okay, I will delete this. So I will now test this. What I will do, see, if you see the others and others both coming, because in my previous one invoice was there else condition what others, and region also is others is automatically coming because I have not selected any dimension which is matching. So I will select it. I will select divisions. So divisions and division is basically a translated value of business unit. So here I will select Mumbai. So if I select Mumbai, my expectation it will change at west. You see, it has been changed as west. Region is west. At the same time, if I select Delhi, right? If I go here, if I just refresh it, it will be north, right? It is changing automatically. Now if I select Noida, right? If I refresh it, it will also be a north. And now if I change it to Pune, so it will be automatically west. And if I change it to any other value online, so it will be others. Like it is else condition is meeting. So basically, let's go back to our case study. So our case study was like this: if my general ledger, in general ledger, if the vendor is account type, then the invoice number will automatically be added in the invoice number or invoice as a financial tag. The similarly, based on some financial dimension value, my financial tag region will be updated automatically, right? So that's the two of the case study which I wanted to share, but it can be any case study which you can think of in the system. Like I would say this is a significant addition or change Microsoft has added. As of now, financial tag has been a manual input, but from going forward, we can utilize this automation functionality based on some table, based on some value, or based on some condition. So that's it for this demonstration. I hope you all liked it, and thanks for watching. Bye for now. Stay tuned for another video like this.